I typically would approach these challenges and I ask usually 2 or 3 questions. And one of them I think is really important because it gets into the heart of the culture, change, and collaboration that I think we need to drive through all the enterprises is how do you unleash IT performance of your existing, not new, but your existing applications, networks, storage, and servers. That is not an easy thing to do in a large enterprise in the federal government because those organizations tend to be somewhat stovepipe. They're not always integrated, and a lot of times they'll go off and procure technology, and then it shows up someplace, and they say, who's going to integrate it, right?
Yep.
Who's going to make it all work together?
Right.
So that's a big challenge. The other thing I think is real important here is before you start moving into virtualization and consolidation questions, how do you discover, right, and also visualize the performance of your existing applications on the network today? How do you know how many servers you actually have in your environment today? How do you know how the performance for that end customer that might be in an embassy in Qatar or something like that,
Right.
how are they performing and getting their job done over that wide area network during the course of a day? And then the last but not least, I think once you start to decide you want to IT streamline, right, the infrastructure, what's your process to determine which assets you are going to virtualize and which assets you're going to optimize or accelerate?
Right.
Those are probably the 3 biggest areas and challenges I see today.